China, what a factory does is it sets up wholesalers. That's really what they are. We call them middlemen, but they're really they're wholesalers. They set up wholesalers to wholesale a product, and each wholesaler has a specific area of expertise. So one wholesaler may speak perfect English, therefore they target the English-speaking people. Another one may speak German, so they target the German marketplace, etc., etc., etc. So that's how that works, and oftentimes well, let me show you a little hack that you can use. Oftentimes you will find that lots and lots of wholesalers are selling exactly the same product from exactly the same factory at wildly different prices, okay? Not just on Alibaba, but on multiple different platforms too. So let's just go over to, I'm just going to get myself ready by going to Google Images. There we go. So let's choose something pretty simple. Aquariums and accessories. Easy. Let's use this aquarium right here. And then that's a photo. Let's just click on the photo. Let's view it larger. Oops, it says. So I'm just going to go Control and then view the image. On my Mac it's Control and view image. Then I just want to grab that image URL, come across to images, click on images, and I'm going to search by image. I'm going to paste the URL of this, and you saw how I got that. So I just clicked through onto the actual thing, went to the image. As soon as I was on the image, oops, he says, having a moment, click on it again, oops, but you got to right click on it to get that up. Then you want Control, View Image, and that's how you get to it. Alright, so now I've got my fish tank aquarium in there. I'm just going to search by the image. This might not work, I've got no idea. Always a bit fraught with danger. But here it is. Alright, so now I can see everybody that's selling that product. So Alibaba, on this importing website, on Amazon in India, it's being sold, etc., etc. And you often find as well that lots and lots of different wholesalers, you'll find them too, and then you can just click through and you'll see what prices they're offering it for rather than you having to go search for them. You can just find them all. Very simple way of finding all your middlemen for a particular product. Super, super cool. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.